Hey everyone, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to make video hooks and viral video hooks. And right now, this is one of the best ways to grow a TikTok page, or Instagram page. The reason being is that it's in a stage now where it's quantity over quality. And yes, of course, you can make quality content as well. You can have part of that as your content game, but you should also be pushing out tons of content, repeatable every single time. And there's already a few pages doing this, and they're getting millions of views every single week with direct response ads. Sometimes the pages can get shut down because you're posting so quickly. But to make this, I use a tool, MakeUGC, the name of the channel as well, and my company. And we've built out this tool so you can make tons of these ads as fast as possible. So from here, you have 100% AI generated avatars who are sitting in realistic backgrounds, settings, and you can mass create those videos straight away. You can also upload your own custom avatar. You can create your own avatar from prompts as well. So there's a few different ways that you can do this. You can also add this onto AI UGC content as well. If you want to test around a few different hooks, play around with the things there, and you can add background music, stuff like that. But let's just focus on the actual video production, and I'll show you how quick it would be. Here you can generate the script directly with AI. I would say direct as possible, as direct as you can as possible. Something like, did you know you can get 90% off AirPods on earbuds.com, something like this, and then you would just mass generate from the templated avatars there. This kind of content, it's not going to be the highest quality, but it's a view game here. If you can have one or two of these videos pop off, especially somebody like her sitting or him moving around here, you can also have a different beach setting as well. You can just mass create tons of this content. It's 100% free as well, unlimited generations on MakeUGC on any plan, so you can just play around with that there. It's super easy to do, and look, simply click create, and you'll see how fast this generates. It's just processed here, and imagine within one refresh, it's already done. Already done. It's so fast. You just simply download that. Pops open another tab, you download again. You can see how quickly you can do this. You can also mass create, upload that to TikTok with a Zapier automation, and then you're good to go. It's really that simple. If you want to check out MakeUGC, make sure to use the code MAKE30, MAKE 30, and I'll leave it in the description as well. We have tons of different plans, tons of different options. If you need more than 100 videos, feel free to book in a call below. I'll leave all the details in the description. I'll see you in the next one.